On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Happy Friday. What is going on, gang? Good to see ya. Bitcoin dying. Altcoins dying. Good fun, man. Good fun. And we're making money, so who cares, right? Who cares? Happy Friday, everybody. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. And let's look at this price action. It's dumping. Down we go. Where we stop, only you guys know, man. Where are we going? What's going on? Send it all to zero. Let's go, baby. Hopefully you're all pre-rich or whatever. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here. And I don't know what to say. This is not so good. This is not so good. Oh, man. Bitcoin. Down we go. Rolling over this morning. I was tempted to short. I didn't. VWAP, man. VWAP, my girl. A little bit too early. I was tired this morning. I feel good now, but oh my God, it was there. I wanted to short VWAP, and I didn't. I choked. Knees were weak. Palms were sweaty. Well, happy Friday, everybody. What can I say? We're here. We're ready to go. Bitcoin's rolling over currently. Coming down, we got an order block here. Liquidity sweep potentially here. Just don't get in front of the train, guys. Don't get in front of the train. This thing is just nasty. You know, everybody drawing triangles and stuff. We had our breakdown. We gave the short from here yesterday. Damn, we've been calling some good trades on that Discord. That's all I gotta say. Got the breakdown yesterday. We said fake out, don't trade it. Fake out, don't trade it. And then boom, it dumped. Retested and then dumped. My God. And now it's double top, retested previous lows, continuation down. Anybody short Zcash? Anybody? Damn, that thing died. Did you see Cardano? What did I say on Twitter? Something about Ada. See you later. See you later, Ada. I thought it was a good play on words. I don't know. See you later, Ada. In a while. Oh, man. Solana's even looking like shite. We got that downtrending, that symmetrical triangle. Boop. Trying to hold on for dear life, man. That's where we're at. Rolling over this morning. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Oof. Potential short here. Push, baby. Key level of support. Look at that red line, man. Oof. 0.5% move already off of it. Into retest previous lows. Continuation down. Aggressive move back up. NASDAQ and wrecked as well. Damn, Daniel. We should have just longed the red line, right? It's very sporadic. Like, it's very aggressive, the price action, so. You're going to tell me that red line was all we needed on our charts. We just needed to press long there. Damn. Sometimes my support and resistance levels are just shocking. Now we're all bullish. We're all bullish. We're going to the moon. It's an emotional game, isn't it? What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday, man. Good to see you guys. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. What's going on, George? How you doing? Ezra? Gang, gang, gang. Happy Friday. Let's go, Jojo. What's going on? Good to see you. Decent. How you doing, brother? Andre? Mr. Jojo, Crypto Jim, B-Rad, how you doing? Good to see you guys here. MRPRG, how you doing, man? Have you guys looked around hype? I'm done with Bitcoin. Way more money made on hype scalps. Well, yes and no. Like, sure, you get more percentage move. That's great, but the issue you will run into, I guarantee you, is that as you size up and get into bigger position size trading, which everybody here wants to scale, right? You won't get filled properly. You'll get slipped for lots of money when you get stopped out, and therefore your trading will suffer. That's just reality. There's not as much liquidity on an asset because of the market cap. There's not as much participants in it. So that's cool. I trade Solana a lot of the time. Even on Solana, which is big. Really, it's not that big, but it's bigger than most things, right, in crypto. I will get stopped out and I'll get slipped for like 0.5%, but it's a lot of money, right? And if that reoccurs, right, that's why you see people who trade big size, either they're swing trading alts, okay, it's a different animal, or they're scalping things like Bitcoin, Solana. So that's great, but the scalability of scalping an altcoin is over time, I think, unprofitable. What's going on, Aaron? Trade newbie. Good to see you, Curtis Hill. MDL, how you doing? Steph? Good morning. Like, if I mark it in on hype right here, it's probably going to push the price up here. My entry wanted to be right here, right? So it's that kind of bullshit that you don't want to deal with. So learn how to trade daddy. Learn how to trade the daddy. My crypto, good to see you. Shriyan, good morning. Gang, gang. Let's go, baby. How you doing? Curtis Hill, my man. Why crypto? Have. Good AM. Good AM to you, man. Order block retest continuation down right now. No trade. No trade. Coming down, grabbing this order block right here. Right above my head. And now we're going down. Good bounce. So Doji engulfing continuation up. This would be 786, I'm pretty sure. Let's go swing low to swing high. Yeah, 786 bounce level. Golden pocket 786. Trying to hold here. See if it can push back up. V-shaped recovery. Little rug this morning, coming back into the imbalance down here, which is good. Gives it permission to go up right now. Good little sweep down. Okay. VWAP projection, continuation down, coming into key levels of support. So looking for a little bit of resistance to be had right here. We'll see how we get through. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. It's Friday, baby. V-shaped recovery in store for Bitcoin right now. Coming down, sweeping all those lows, and looking to push right now. Okay, so bearish start, bullish. It flips pretty quick. Like, I mean, as a scalper and a trader, I mean, yesterday, we called the short from here for the Discord. That was a great short. I made like 2,500 on that one. And we had a very good call of like the key levels and everything. So in between all these levels, you had a plethora of moves, man. Like this is good trading. Like this is like 1.5% moves throughout the day. This is absolutely juicy if you can execute with good risk management and scalps. I mean, a 1% move is heaven for me. So I've really enjoyed this price action, to be honest. It's sporadic, but, you know, at key levels. And look at this. If we longed here, we would have been TP1 already, up probably $500. And it's good movement on price action. At least it's not a lazy Susan, you know. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're all kicking ass this week. What do you guys think? Whoo, up, baby. This is normally at 40%. You guys be fibbing here. Some people have gotten wrecked this week, I bet. Yeah. Got to be careful. What's going on, Alexander G? God bless you. Thank you for always being here. Shriyam Pandy. Hey, how you doing, Milan? Army Piper. How you doing, bro? How's everything? Are you buying anything yet, Army? Mr. Kemp? U.S. economy's in the toilet. Try being in Canadian economy, man. Canadian economy is recession. Right now, it's green energy, baby. Shout out to green energy. Thank you for wrecking my country the last 10 years. Hello, OG Discord admin. I opened a ticket with Discord. They said the bot on your side needs fixed. You know, it should be fine. Should be fine. Tickets are working. I've gotten tickets. Yeah, you just go over the tickets here. Tickets. Open ticket. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Look, 986. There's my ticket. It's working, man. I'm going to talk to my damn self now. It's working. I wonder if Wall Street will be irrational about it. Probably. Good morning, Triple. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? 8 Breath. Aaron. Buck. How you doing, Buck? Good to see you, bro. Hoto. Vegas Claw. How about that hockey game last night? Holy shit. This is some good hockey. Oh, man. Carolina coming back, whooping Vegas' ass. I mean, I think, you know, Carolina has been, in my opinion, outplaying them. Vegas has gotten some fluky goals. But it's a great series, man. Like, I'm non-biased. Like I want Carolina to win just because I hate Mitch Marner. That's because I'm a Leafs fan. So I'm cheering for Carolina. But I'm non-biased, and it's some really good hockey, man. I think they can get a little bit more physical. I think they could kick each other's ass a little bit more, but it's a really good series so far, man. Really high scoring. High intensity. Overtime win last night. Pretty cool, man. Loco, good to see you. Jesse Hullock, good to see you, man. How you doing, Jesse? Citadel to Zero. Okay. Yeah. Up, down, all around. Who cares? That's it. 585, man. Up. As long as it's moving and going to the right, we're making money. We made like 3,500 yesterday. Taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. Account 42,639. Okay, we're whooping its ass, up, down, all around, giving all the trades and setups and live trading in the Discord. Good fun, man. We're gonna do that today as well. We're up almost. We're up 12,500 this week. So another great week so far. Let's not give it away, but let's continue to execute with high conviction trades and Just doing it, man. Just doing it, slow and steady. Slow and I guess you guys don't think it's slow and steady. For me, it's slow and steady. Gang, gang, gang. Shorts pain. Have you verified crypto? Maybe that's it. Maybe you haven't verified. You can what's your name in Discord? I'll help you out, man. Crypto. Bonjour. I added you just there at the regular chat. We'll see. Exhaustion up at the highs here, coming back, retesting order block continuation down. A little V-shaped recovery though, so for me it's no trade, just waiting right now. Nice slap into the low here. Nice 1% move already. 1% down, 1% up already today. So, I mean, there's volatility. There's money to be made right now. So, we will hopefully find something good and juicy for you guys. Oops, I just closed my second Bitcoin chart. Can't be doing that, man. We'll do some top-down analysis and help you guys see what I see maybe. What's going on, G1 Crypto Hung? My man DG Trades, dump song, please. We're not there yet. We're not dumping yet. It is rolling over, but we do have a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders here. I ain't going to be that guy to get bullish on you, though. But this could be a good low here. Just saying. We'll see where we get to. Dump song, please. Just saw the altcoin charts. Yeah, Andre. Go and check out Cardano, man. I identify as liquidated. Come on, man. We can't do that as shunts. There's no reason to be liquidated. What's going on? Gangsta. Cash out guy. How you doing? Jobs reports. Yeah, we got job reports. 12 minutes. Great, Bo. How about you? I'm great, man. I'm gonna do the live stream. I'm gonna scalp with the gang, and then I'm gonna go golf. That's the plan today. I'm identify as golfing today. I went and bought some expensive golf balls to hit them into the woods today. I ordered some Pro V1 X Left Dash. I've never played these before. I'm excited. These are like $9 a ball. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna lose them all. Smells like sex. I mean, how do you charge $11, $8, $9, $10, $11 for one ball? Is it gonna make me better today, guys? Am I gonna shoot low 80s or am I gonna shoot in the 90s today? What do you guys think? You guys can put a 9 in the chat for 90s or 8 in the chat for 80s. I've only broken 80 twice in my life. I shot 276s. Honest golf. I don't expect to do that today. Playing a tough track. I'll have some beautiful mountain pictures for you guys, though. Ada is trash. Yeah, I agree. See you later. Made 10K off Zcash short. Let's go, man. That's awesome. Crazy, but an even bigger day's profit today. Let's go, Rob. Good job, man. You're going to buy a whole army of ladyboys, Rob. You're going to have like the fembots or something. Oh, look, Basil. Machine gun jublays. Burn the boats. Good morning. Tony Soprano. Where you been, man? Tony, we had Jonathan Schaefer in here one day with Farmer, with like all the OGs. It was just missing you. I missed you, bro. Where have you been? I want a red line. 100K, here we come. Okay. Jesse, my brother. I remember when someone criticized me for selling my... I'm going to point him out. It was Sin City Crypto. I told them I sold all of my ADA for Sui. And they're like, what? I was like, yeah. It was on their live show. I confessed. It was a good choice, in my opinion. I have since sold all of it since then. What's going on, Mike? Good to see you, Rashad. Hey, my man. How you doing? Chantel. There we go. Good morning. I always look forward to your good morning, Chantel. And Bruce. Bruce, I got to send you that your winner chicken dinner. You've sent me a TRC 20 account. I'll get you that today, okay, brother? I'll get you that today when we do the live scalping session or whatever. I'll send that over to you so you have some beer money for the weekend. Oh, man, good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Roth, Marine Mike Vegas, Cool Marge, Proof of Work. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Coming into our little tap of resistance here. What's going on, Ben? Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Chris. Sense, good morning. Happy Friday, bro. Hope I'm having a great day so far. Thanks for the kind words, man. I appreciate you. I'm doing really well, thank you. Rashad, DG Trades. Ooh-wee. Buying land and doing my weekly weighted DCA. That's it. Lower. Okay. I mean, I bought a house. It's not land. See, it's stepping stones. Like I bought my first house now. I have like a 5-year plan on that house, and then I want to buy, hopefully, an estate. Hopefully. So, a couple acres. Build my own house. That's kind of the whole, you know? I want my son to be able to, like, rip his dirt bike at the house, you know? Like, I want to have, like, the house. I want to be able to, like, just boot around, man, on the snowmobiles and the dirt bikes, you know? Outdoor rink. Let's be real. I would love to just retire my bloodline. But it's going to take a lot of work, man. But we'll continue to grow the account and size up. We'll continue. That's it. That's all. We show up every single day, and God willing, you know, with the honesty and transparency and trying to serve others, you know. Trying to help make crypto honest again and all that stuff. You know, we hope to share the wealth with everyone here, and hopefully everybody has that, you know, life of freedom and purpose. That's kind of the goal. Always has been from day one. I will continue to show up and work hard for you guys. It's not some days you come to the charts and, you know, you don't realize how much a privilege it is to sit here and click buttons, right? I remember because I have things to remind me. That's the key. Bro, we went wild yesterday. Yeah, it was pretty good game. What's going on? Rashad Official. Good morning. Looks like this is continuation up into view op right here. Let's go, baby. Breaking this down. I mean, splitting hairs here. Nice little V-shaped recovery. I mean, we should have bought the red line, guys. What are we doing? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Go Knicks. Finals on game 2 tonight. I think it would have been closer. Typically, the Spurs are really good. Like, I typically only watch the last 4 minutes of every basketball game now because it's like, it just disgusts me how they play nowadays. Like, it's WNBA, in my opinion. It's really sad to see these big ass 7-foot players flop and grope around the basketball court. It's not like what I grew up with. I'm an Allen Iverson kind of guy my whole life. You get in the paint and you don't flop and grope like that, man. Anyways, but yeah, I think the Spurs didn't show up like they could have in the last 4 minutes. Like, normally they're pretty wet from the 3-point land, and they were dry as ever, man. So it should be a different story. We'll see. The double team on Wemba kick out threes were not producing like they were game 7 against OKC. So I think it'll be a different story. hole in one for Alex today. I don't know, man. I've never hit a hole in one in my life. I have put it in from the best shot the longest kind of hole out I've made. I had like a 110 shot over water. It was sick. 56-degree wedge. I was like, and I eagled this thing. I was doing the birdie, like the caw down the fairway. I hit it was a really nice hole. Here's where you drive, and you had like this big water in here, and this was like a 250 drive, 260 drive to here, and then you had like the island green right here. So I hit a bomb, boom, into here. I got 115, 120 in, and I hit like a high cut over the water. Pin placement. This guy was having a bad day. Pin was back right. I hit this high cut over, and then like it landed, bounced, and it had like zip on it. It went boom, boom behind the flag, and it had good spin on it, and it zipped back and disappeared. It was so sick, man. One of my best shots ever, man. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. I've hit some pretty good shots, though, over the past couple of years. I've only been playing this is my third season. Last year, I hit probably even a cooler shot. I was playing in mountain golf. It was a blind shot, and I hit it within, like, literally 3 inches of the hole. But it was like 170-yard 8-iron down a hill, blind, and I stuck it perfectly. So, I mean, sometimes the golf gods, they always give you the one to keep you coming back, right? They always do it, and that's how it works. Okay, into resistance rejection here. Expected. I don't like the way it moved up a bit aggressive. We could come back and revisit here. This is just a breakdown, retest, continuation down here, but we do got bullish momentum, so no trade yet. A little bit exhausted up at the high here. See if we do get a pullback into like this fair value gap down in here. Let's see what we get. A little bit of patience right now, guys. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. So 67. You think I'm gonna shoot 67? I shot 76. That's my best score ever. Sevens? You think sevens? You guys are too kind, man. God bless you. Shut up, Dave. 8 is my biggest bag. You're kidding me, Tony. You're not an 8 of MexC, man. You and Charles in the hot tub together or what, bro? That's not cool. Oh man, what's going on, Professor? Good to see you. Very close to subbing to your Discord. May I ask what's stopping you? What's stopping you? Is it too expensive? If it's too expensive, don't do it, man. Stay here. Stay on the live streams. Try to learn what you can. There's a lot of free resources out there. Sold the top of Zach. Nice. Dynamic. Good job, man. Wick's wife, fine 89. Good to see you, Nick. I sold my Bitcoin for ramen. Me too. Yeah. At least my risk was tight. Good job. If you manage your risk well and you execute the trade that you planned, I mean, you're doing your job. If you're a good trader, you win 70% of the time. That means you got to be able to lose 30% of the time, right? I mean, we trade live in the Discord. People see me take losses all the time in the Discord. They also see me crush wins, but they also see the market actually like trash talk me. Here we go. News coming out, guys. News coming out right now. We got some data coming in. Non-farm payroll coming in at 172. Okay, and unemployment rate staying at 4.3% here. NASDAQ, pump and dump. Rotation down. ES trying to push. NASDAQ rotating down. Not the greatest data right now coming out. Non-farm payrolls, 172. Consensus was, it's better than expected, right? Interesting. Okay. Which is not the greatest. Rotation down. Unemployment stays at 4.3%, guys. So AI is taking your jobs. Down we go. Right into news data this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. 330 people here. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Let's go. NASDAQ dumping. It don't like ye. The news data. It doesn't like ye. Coming down, sweeping the late longs here. Potentially, it doesn't look good, guys. Bitcoin is going to zero. What do you think about that data, Piper? I'm always asking Piper. Piper always got to give us the idea because we send our show to Piper every single day. Oh, man. Bounce. NASDAQ? NASDAQ bounce? No, man. NASDAQ's leaving. Oof. Data coming in. You best protect your neck. Ugly. NASDAQ no bounce. Bitcoin no bounce. Continuation down. Not looking good. Busy at the moment, but lurking. Babysitting gorillas. Sounds good, thanks. No problem, Bruce. Retire your bloodline. Yeah, that's the goal. We got longs in here. Larkin asked for a trade. Yeah, he's coming to the Leafs, man. We'll take Dylan Larkin all day. 1-for-1 with Morgan Riley. Let's do it. Dylan Larkin, Morgan Riley, 1-for-1 trade. Yeah? NASDAQ continues down. Bitcoin continuing down. Soy Boy Lana, I don't even know if I want to look at you right now. I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you, girl. Trying to push. It's dead. Ugly. We're going to 59 right now. Watch. Look how low alts are. That's how you know. Okay. You'll hit a hole in one. We hope so. If we break 60, it's done. Do you agree, Alex? Yeah, we got levels down below for sure. Good morning, people. Good to see you. iBuy. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bear flag holds 60. Yeah. Can Bitcoin go up? Absolutely. It can go up and down and all around, man. We just got data, so let it bake a little bit, guys. NASDAQ don't like it. This is not good. Okay. Down we go. Down we go. Let's go. Trade that shite. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go, Dusty. Good to see you. It just reinforces that we will not see any rate cuts for a couple of years. Ooh. Ooh. Puckering. You think you're going to pick up the Leafs over the Sabres? Yeah. You know where everybody wants to go to Montreal, eh? Everybody wants to go to Montreal. Young team. Did well this year. Exciting. Everybody wants to go to Montreal, and they got wicked fans. And I hate Montreal. Obviously, I'm a Toronto Maple Leafs fan. Lower. Dump it, baby. See you later, Bitcoin. He wants to play with Matthews. Probably, man. That would be cool. I mean, who doesn't want to play with Matthews? I mean, he's had a couple injuries. Man scored 70 goals. Who doesn't want to play with Matthews? You think they're going to fake everyone out here, Trenchy? We'll see. We need the dump song. It's not dump song worthy yet. He's from Detroit. Okay. He wants to play with Captain America, though, man. Austin Matthews. I thought you were going to buy XRP if it went down to $1.50. That was last bull run, wasn't it? That was a long time ago, man. Things change. Things change. ETH can go to 1,200, man. That's where I bought ETH last. It's going to be an interesting weekend. We need the cider song. That's never happening on the YouTube, man. That's a little bit too far. And I go far. Like I push. I mean, I don't think there's many people who say what I say on the live streams. Oh, sweep of the lows here. NASDAQ continuing to dump. ES rolling over. Oil flat. Bitcoin dying. Well, I guess our sell wall worked really well. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I mean, people just come here to copy my levels. That's cool, man. I appreciate you being here. 376 people here bringing in the dump. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. We're doing $2,000 giveaway today. Bitcoin rolling over, man. Jobs data coming in. Not that great. Not that great. Obviously, the market hates it. See if we can recover from here. Coming back to that red line, we should have longed the red line again. Not for me, guys. Very sporadic price action this morning, so no trades so far. We're up 12,500 this week. See what we get today. I'm happy we're up 12,500 though this week because like I almost had like a minus $7,000 day. What was that, Tuesday? Good morning, Chad, Diego, Lucky, good to see you. You guys be smashing that like. Thank you guys for smashing that like. Yeah, that's cool. I appreciate that. It does help the channel. We only have 80 likes in here, so maybe I just don't tell you when I enter. I'll just trade it my damn self. You know? Maybe I'll just throw it on the chart once I've entered. I haven't entered yet, but maybe I just enter up, down, all around. Is he long? Is he short? Maybe I just withhold it from you guys. I'll notify the Discord as we go. You know? Mm-hmm. Any entry in Bitcoin? Not right now. Go Canes? Yeah, it's been really good, man. It's been a good. Just say when you exit. yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Let's lose 61,000. It's the. You want me to move the red line a little bit lower? Maybe it'll go. Fair value gap, retest to previous lows. NASDAQ pushing back here. ES rolling over. Looks weak. Might need to come here. 61. Might need to come to 61. Failure to push up. No structure change. Still looking weak here, guys. No trade. Still waiting. Thank you for being here. So looking at this price action, obviously we have our levels, yada, 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 right? Really generally, Bitcoin's holding on for dear life. Doesn't look very good, right? We were all looking at this breakout yesterday across the board. Everybody was like, oh, triangle thingy, right? We called the fake out here, told nobody to long here, retest back in, down we went, right? We gave the short in the Discord from up here. So if you did take that, congratulations. Cha-ching should be your Asia trading name. We do have bull divs down here on like the 1 hour. Whoop-de-doo-da-day. Bull divs don't mean jack when we're doing this, guys. This is just consolidation for continuation, right? So looking for sweeps and bounces, springs out of here. However, if we do continue to go down, I mean, we got supports at 58. 51, 47, okay? trying to hold on to the $61,000 level. Can it hold? We will see, right? We will see. Market cipher looks red, okay, very red all the way through. Any sort of pullback is for shorting, so shorting, you know, pullback, shorting, okay, and we got anchor trigger in here trying to push out, but come on, guys, this thing has been trending down, okay. Any sort of pullback, retracement has been for shorting. Okay, don't get it twisted. Don't put on your hopium slippers. We all want to catch the low of the range. Okay, so here's how you catch the low of the range. You buy it on spot, and you wait 3 years. Okay, dollar cost average, whatever you're into, man. For me, it's nice that we have volatility. The main trend is down. So for me, it's just very simply executing with high probability trade setups. Yesterday was very easy. It was a sweep of the high, fair value gap, order block, dump down. That was a great trade. I mean, 2% trade. Easy money. Okay, so now we are doing the same thing. We're rotating down. So where are we looking to go? Well, the low. Unless this holds here, right? This would be our golden pocket 786 bounce level right in here. We can see that we have tapped that. However, NASDAQ trying to recover, ES rolling over, right? Very indecisive market right now. So if this, then that. We just had news data that dumped the market, swept the lows, bullish divergence, potential for a pushback up into here, trying to come back for this liquidity left from Asia. Okay, we could come back for Asia liquidity very easily. Okay, this thing is sporadic. It's moving. Guys, look at this. It's moving, right? It's moving, right? It's moving, so I just drew balls there, guys. That's hilarious. I just went like this. Unintentionally, okay? Unintentionally. So bull divs here, trying to push out. Can we get going? We'll see. News-driven price action. V-shaped recovery into dump. Trying to hold the lows here and get going. Trying to push up. I would expect expectational order flow to target these liquidity levels. We haven't hit either one. Kind of in the middle, right? Diddle in the middle. So we'll see if this wants to push back up or if we're going to have to get rugged. Happy Friday, everybody. We're here live every morning. Doing the giveaway today, $2,000 giveaway. That should be great. Use the Bitunix link pinned in the chat, VIP 3 access for everybody. You can use that. Screenshotting Alex's dick pics. Yeah. That's it, man. It looks like a button on a fur coat, Kyle. Too funny. So if this, then that. When in doubt, zoom out, right? When in doubt, zoom out. So we wait. Try to execute here with high conviction. Thank you guys for being here on the live. It is 8:45, so we got 45 minutes till market opens here. A little sporadic price action. Shorter term time frames, a little bit overextended. This move was pretty brutal. I don't know if any of you guys caught this one, but this was a great dump here. Retest of this upwards trend line in here, and down you went. So we had the break down, and then the retest to grab all the short liquidity, and then the dump. Now we are doing very much the same thing here, trickling down. This has created quite a lot of liquidity on the way up. Like we could extend this all the way up here if we wanted to. We would look to target all this liquidity within this region here. However, trend is down, guys. You do not see strength. Where is the higher low, right? Where is the strength? Low, 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 right? So no, sellers are in control. Any pullback is for shorting, right? Is for shorting. So that would mean even if we come up into here, where are we doing? We're shorting, right? We're shorting, right? It would look very similar to what we have right now. So if this, then that. Patience here at the lows. We could long it into this downwards trending momentum, but for me right now, news-driven V-shaped recovery, sitting on my hands, just waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Happy Friday, man. The only thing we do require is a good morning here, so thank you for being here and saying good morning, not being too weird. We're all, you're here sitting on your chair, looking at a screen, looking at me who's looking at a screen. It's fucking weird already, guys. So Thank you for being here and hanging out, supporting the channel. And hopefully we find some trades today. I do appreciate you guys. Good morning, Wayne. Good to see you, bro. Good morning, Glenn. David, how you doing, bro? A little bit of exhaustion, indecision here. Z cash down 50%. Yeah, I mean, it's just another shit coin. You know, major players hold those coins. When they sell, it goes down, right? It's not like we're in a big market cap. We're not in trillions of market cap here, guys. This is crypto. We signed up for this shit. I mean, smaller players or larger players can manipulate price however the hell they want, right? Right? It's weird that whenever I watch your show, I take my clothes off. Is that normal, right? Just helps me get more in tune with the market. It's because you're Aussie, bro. You've been chicking me out. It's because you're Aussie, and it's hot where you are. I mean, you guys are in winter right now. It's probably still hotter than it is in Australia right now than it is Canada, and we're in spring, summer, right? Good morning, TK. Good to see you. I mean, I trade naked after the stream. Shout out to all the Australians, man. Brillo, good to see you. Yeah, man. May the trades be profitable today. Yeah, I mean, even if they're not, it doesn't, you know, it ebbs and it flows. I mean, I lost $4,000 last week. I was down. I was down like 12 grand last week. I battled back though. I was down early in the week. I was down like Monday, Tuesday. I was down like 12, 13,000 and just stayed disciplined, kept trading. And then, you know, battle back. The week before that, I did 20,000, right? So, I mean, it ebbs and flows. That's trading, right? It's a long-term game. Just wait till the mullet comes in. I'm growing it for you guys. Don't disrespect our endangered the bin chicken. Yeah, the ibis, man. You got nappies in the back because the bin chickens follow me on the road. That's gross, man. You just leave the nappies in the truck, man. In the ute. Oh man. It's got to be raunchy, stinky when in the Australian heat, man. You're just cooking them. You're cooking child pies. Bro, rave coin check. I hold for long term from $6. Great, man. Hold your rave, man. That's I mean, it's all the rave, isn't it? I mean, do you? I mean, I hope you've done your research. That's all I got to say, man. I hold like very like 0.5% of my portfolio is altcoins, except for Solana and Bitcoin. That's it. You guys do you, man. I wish I could grow a mullet. I'm working on it, man. Do you look at the Dixie chart much? Not generally. Like I have levels on Dixie, but I used to use Dixie in parity with Bitcoin. Like I used to, obviously it's inverse correlated. So I mean, I used to use it quite a bit. I mean, there's not much to tell here besides it's in a range, right? I prefer the Nasdaq, even when it's not related. There's a couple of tricks that I use with the Nasdaq that just it's hard for me to explain it right now. But if Nasdaq's doing this and Bitcoin's doing this, I'll find my way. It's just a better tell. A lot of people like USDT dominance. I hate USDT dominance. Like I'm aware of USDT dominance and how it performs and the big breakout and the big flag breakout here. And we're like, I mean, cool. Just invert your chart, right? It's just going up. It's not rocket science. People are holding more stables, right? You can use whatever you want. I mean, as long as it doesn't subtraction's more important than addition in trading. From what I've learned over the years, the more shit I got to look at, the more pain and analysis paralysis, and you get cross-eyed looking at. I get people who, check out my indicator, check out this thing. That's why I made my own. I'm just like, this is what I want to fucking look at. Subtraction. The only thing you need to understand is market structure, price action, liquidity, and volume. That's it. That's it. If you can't trade a bear chart, if you can't trade this, you got work to do, right? If you can't trade this, you got to go and learn how to trade this. That's it. If you don't see what's going on here, right? Hindsight trading is great. This is all, oh man, look, of course we dumped. Duh, right? You tell me, right? You tell me. Hindsight is easy. How can you look at hindsight, extract the information that is provided to you into building a narrative here to allow you to put on risk, manage it, and make money? It's the only job that'll take your money. Okay? So where are we looking to go here? If I'm just looking at this, what's going on here? Well, we're downtrending, right? We have liquidity in the high, liquidity in the low. Okay? Everything's dying. What would they likely do here? Dump it? I would think they would come for the liquidity in here. That's what I would think. They've retraced it sufficient enough to come back for these guys. Maybe they 3 drive it here and they take that low and then they bounce it up. That would be nice. Come for this liquidity in here. Retest VWAP and go up and come and grab this guy here. Right? That would be sweet. Right? Exhaustion in the highs here, trying to push up. NASDAQ showing weakness, failing to make higher high. ES failing to make higher high, sweep of the lows. It's taking liquidity, so that's a good job. See, we can see ES is taking liquidity. So it has permission to come up for the liquidity of the high of the range now. Will that transpire into Bitcoin? Well, it's stalling out here and it hasn't dropped more. That tells me that there's potential buyers stepping up here trying to push price higher, right? This tells me this is news driven. We've come back for these longs down here, so everybody's been wrecked sufficiently. It has permission to come up for the high here, right? However, where's my resistance? I'm got to be a rocket scientist. It needs to get above here. Does that make sense? Look, it likes this level. Clearly, it likes this level. That's why we had a box here this morning. VWAP, retest to previous lows, support and resistance flip, failure to push, right? So really, I should be looking for longs once we get up here and then look to target here. Until then, I should be looking for this thing to follow through to the downside and come for these guys here, right? Your job is to take a giant sieve, okay? You get all this information, top-down analysis. You get all this information. You bring it to where price action is. And then you're supposed to execute with those levels based on where you're looking for price to go. Okay, if this, then that. If this, then that. And most people should be trading the 15-minute time frame. Not the 3-minute. It's a privilege to zoom in because this happens a lot faster, right? I know that if we go swing high to swing low, this is golden pocket 786 as well, right? If I go from high to low locally, I can see it because I've seen it 1,000 times, right? I know that this is local golden pocket 786 resistance. It's also VWAP, right? It takes time to learn these things. So give yourself a longer runway. I think everybody wants to get, I was obsessive. That's how I was very obsessive. I don't know how to explain it to you. And then I committed to doing a YouTube video every day, right? I'm not going to be that guy who says, oh, you got to want it. Like, trading ain't for everybody, man. There's a reason why a lot of people fail at it. Right? There's a reason. But to be like that 5-10% people who actually succeed and make money out of this thing, it's going to take work and dedication. self-discipline, right? Execution. I still struggle some days. But it's fun. It's a lot better than being a carpenter. It's nice. I was a carpenter for 15 years. It's nice. It's a nice break. But I've lost my carpenter wage for the month in a day of day trading, right? I've also made my salary for 4 months in what was it, 12 seconds? We hit that 12K trade on the live stream. Did you take any trades yesterday? Yeah, I took 5 trades yesterday. Made 3,500 yesterday. 5 trades. So I took 1 trade on the live stream, I believe, yesterday. I'm trying to remember. It's all cluttered right now. I took a long on the live stream. Made like, what was it, 300, 400 bucks? I can check. We took this short in the Discord right here. We took a long here, I believe, in the Discord. We shorted this in the Discord. This is where I made most of my money. I made like 2,500 on this. I got out here though, because I was a pussy. I should have held. I was just de-risking, so I had taken most of my money. I was looking to come into VWAP here. I think VWAP's down here. Where's VWAP? Yeah, so I was looking to come into VWAP. The short was given in advance. We had golden pocket resistance, red line resistance. We had fair value gap. Okay, this was the setup yesterday for the Discord. Fair value gap. The setup was like this. I left this. This was given in advance in the Discord. Looking to target the lows of the range. It eventually played. But holding this was painful. I paid myself at these lows. And then it came back here. This is where I got stopped out. I closed my trade here, and then it continued to dump. Okay, so I got shooken out by this aggressive move right here, which is kind of lame. Could have held it longer. I mean, I made most of my money on the way down, and then it followed through. But the Discord liked that trade. I bet you they did. I left them with that. It's how it is, man. It ebbs and it flows. Where's the trade? In the Discord, yeah. I mean, it's nonstop. There's the spoon feeding. We gave out the spoons yesterday in the Discord. It's chopping sideways right now, guys. This was the trade setup. Bitcoin right there. All right, that's the same trade. Fair value gap. Top of the orb as well. Rejection down. I think Kyle gave a short here too. De-risk. Down we went. Spoons handed out. And then I adjusted my stop loss here. So you see stop loss here, and then we bounced up and I got stopped out. Take profit was the VWAP. There's your trade setup. And I closed my trade. Update. Indecision into that triangle. I said watch for fake out. Decision time. Looking for a retest back in. Then I said no long here because it dumped and it showed a lot of weakness. And we didn't take the long, and then it rolled over. Play by play all day. And then the morning setups today. So, not bad. Guys, why did this thing just die? We were moving so nicely, and now it's dead. Solana pushing back. NASDAQ continuing to roll over here. Interesting. Losing the lows. Man, if the NASDAQ starts to go, man, it's going to be a bloodbath. It's going to be a bloodbath. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 400 people here on the live. What's going on, everybody? 141 likes. I'm going to go and get some coffee. Here's the coffee long, everybody. So Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. It's utter gang, baby. It's been a great week. Thank you for being here. I'll play the classic douche canoe song. Smash that like. Subscribe if you're new. We'll be right back. Gonna go say good morning to my beautiful wife and my beautiful son. Otter gang.
Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. 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 Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. Hardest gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. All the gang. Gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a namby-pamby. Yeah. All the gang. Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. 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 Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. Hardest gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. All the gang. Gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a namby-pamby. Yeah. gang. Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang, gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, 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 nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Douche canoe, nambi, bambi. All the gang. Gang. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Don't be a nambi, bambi. Yeah.
All right, it's working. It's working. Good timing. Song ended. Weird. You guys thought it was gonna rip, didn't you? Put a 1 in the chat if you thought it was gonna rip on us, and then now you're back to break even. I don't know if you guys be taking these trades. Why, Crypto? Welcome to the family, man. Get into those videos, bro. Good to see you, man. Get into those videos. Thank you, Tony, for sharing that. Tony, I'll take care of you. Welcome to the family. Hey, buongiorno. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out in the Discord. You guys thought it was all going to rip. My Genesis just got taken by the dealership. Are they sending it to zero? The Genesis. Alex, get to the chopper. Stop whining. I love how we always lose about 30, 40 people whenever I go for a coffee. It's like total TikTok brains, man. Like they need constant stimulation. Coffee long is going to make us all rich. We'll see. All right. Anybody in any trades, put a 1 in the chat if you're long, put a 2 in the chat if you're short. You did not sell it. Did you sell it? Got wrecked and it's repoed? You're lying. You didn't get wrecked, Piper. You're the last person to get wrecked. I'd be very disappointed if you got wrecked. In an ADA trade? Are you long ADA? You and Charles in the hot tub, eh? 2 from VWAP. Nice. For an oil change. Yeah, there you go. See, I knew you were going off with some fucking weird shit. Don't make me send the stream to Randy. Oh, man. Too funny. Okay, this is sideways bear flag. So this is coming down. We swept into the previous lows. Continuation down. That's what it says. Right? No rocket science degree here, but this is a retest of previous lows. Continuation down. We can go in 1 minute if it makes it easier for you guys to see. Right? This would be your short. This would be your target. Just saying. No trades right now though, for me, cause you guys all coffee longed it. So Nasdaq, Nasdaq looks like shite. ES looks like shite. Okay, oil rotation down, not bad. Losing 92, critical level of support here. Bitcoin sideways. 911. We did that yesterday. It was 9/11 when I checked the time last time too, man. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful week. How you guys doing with the trading this week? You guys all up, baby? 32% of you. Normally this is around 40, so a bunch of y'all getting wrecked this week, man. I don't blame you. It's been volatile. If you're not patient in this market, you're gonna get fucked up, just naturally, because of how sporadic it is, right? It'll chop and then drop and all that fun, and not easy market. Not an easy market. The only way you're going to do well in this market is by waiting and then executing with high probability setups. What's going on, hell yeah? Good to see you, man. He's skiing. Along the bottom last night. Nice, Golden Child. Good job, bro. God bless. That's sick, man. I love seeing you guys win. Charles wearing a Speedo. He's wearing the Borat Speedo, man. He goes, you'll never get this in one day. You can get this. If it follows 4-year cycle, 48, 53K would be the bottom. I've said 47 from the since we broke structure on the weekly. So we'll see. I got demolished this week. I'm sorry to hear that, Wemba. Hopefully we can bring you at least some knowledge on that. Ragged. Alexandra G. God bless you, Alexandra. Why are you giving me money, Alexandra G? I appreciate you. The best mod in all of crypto. Can we get some Alexandra G emojis in the chat? Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for the 10. That's for... She's just paying me back over time for the damage emotionally her Dodgers did to my Blue Jays. That's it. That's all she's doing. That's all she's doing. She shows up and she's like my mod slave after that. She's just signed up to make me, emotional damage, right? Right, Alex? She shares the greatest name in the world, but yet we share opposing baseball teams. And I was fucking losing to the Dodgers in Game 7 hurts so bad that when TradeFly asked to bring me to Dodgers Stadium, I said, fuck that. I can't. And that's, I've always wanted to go to Dodgers Stadium. Right? And I'm in SoCal and I'm like, let's go to a Kings game. Oh, man. Yeah. Slippage this week on Bitcoin was insane on Bitunix. I would disagree. But depends on slippage everywhere is going to be bad. Look at the moves, okay? Look at this. This is if your stop loss is here, if your stop loss is here, if your stop loss is maybe you're short somewhere in here. If you're long in here, you're getting wrecked. This is no joke. This is an aggressive, violent, sporadic, not a lot of participant market right now. And if you're trading altcoins and you think you're going to do well when price action is moving this much, we shorted here, but you think this is not going to slip you? these aren't little namby-pamby moves. These are 1, 2, 3% moves, right? You're going to get slipped. And if you do have a major slippage, you can always come and open up a ticket in the Discord. If you're under my affiliate, I will always battle for you guys. That's the number one thing, is I got a pretty good link on the life support for the exchange. So I can always get you your data and information on your trade and see if you got slipped for more. I think it's 0.05% is like, it's considered a lot of slippage. And they'll redeem you. They'll make it right. I expect them to, and I will battle for you. So I'm sorry that you got slipped. It sucks. I mean, I've been slipped. We won't even talk about it. I've been slipped for like $3,000 at sometimes. But they've reimbursed me because of it with certain exchanges. Some of them, you know. I was trading MexC at one point, and I was in a long. MexC, I was in a long, and I hadn't put my stop loss on the chart yet, and MexC went down, and I got liquidated for $5,000. I threw my stop loss on the chart. That was it. I threw my stop loss on the chart, but I hadn't moved it up into position, and the MexC went down, and I lost like $6,500, and they only gave me $100 back. Fucking bastards. Anyways, so MexC still owes me at least $4,500. We won't talk about that. Insane. I think I'm going to do a meetup just for slippage. Yeah? You're going to wear the KY jelly suit? Play the dump song. We ain't dumping yet, man. We ain't dumping yet. We chopping sideways here into market open. Braves fan? I mean, I prefer the Braves. I mean, they're a rival of the Jays. But I mean, the Braves in the 90s were fucking awesome, man. Greg Maddux, Chipper Jones, Andrew Jones. Yeah, they were a fun team to watch in the 90s, man. Everybody doing the tomahawk, man. That's racist now, by the way. Oh, I'll do it though, because I'm a 90s kid. I'm allowed to be, somewhat, Could I get some axes in the chat? Three little birds are on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure. Yeah, great song. Dave, this is my message to you. Behave yourself. It's Friday, baby. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. 420 people here, you smokers. Thank you for supporting the channel. Bitcoin, sideways. Dump on the news. Double bottom, trying to bounce out. Trying to get back above 62,300 right now. Indecision, chop in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Let's just be patient here. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. We'll see where we get to today. We're going to do a $2,000 giveaway today. That should be fun. Hopefully y'all are pre-rich and you're going to win that. So you have some beer money this weekend. Taking the trades, showing the trades here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. No trades as of yet. Oh, Solana's getting a little pushback here, holding on to this support level. NASDAQ down. NASDAQ down. Yeah. NASDAQ ugly. Back into the range here. Wouldn't be surprised if we go to 29 again. Losing 30. Yeah, losing 30. That's a big drop for NASDAQ. SPY, same deal. Let's see how we open this morning. I would expect down for SPY open. Yeah. Should be fun. I'm excited. I always get excited for market open. Look at that push on Bitcoin. There it is. There's that push. Up we go. Where we stop, only Dave Digital knows. Coming into resistance now. Downtrending momentum. We don't touch this. That's for damn sure. We definitely don't touch this. We wait. Kansas City Chiefs. Let's go. Why did they change all these names, right? Like the Redskins. Like, it's the Redskins, man. It ain't Commanders. Right? Commanders. My God. Poor Trade Fly. He used to be a Skins fan. And then he got woke. Bob Marley with the W. Don't worry about a thing. That's it, man. Well, Ren, good to see you. Wait for the trade. That's how the money is made. Otter gang. Baby O. Yeah, he's always he's always yelling lately. Love it. He's found his voice for sure. He's singing The Lion King yesterday. I just can't wait to be king. It was really good, man. He's like, You going to the World Cup games in Canada? Nah, man. It's in BC, isn't it? I ain't going that far west. That's it's not for me. I'm not a big soccer fan. I know you guys all hate me now. I got the blue light glasses on my head. You know? I got the blue light glasses on my head. Not wearing them. It's like that guy at the baseball game where he's got like the backwards hat and no sunglasses and he's going like this. Soccer is like a giant game of ping pong. Like nothing really gets solved in soccer. Like I love that soccer is like accessible to everyone, but like soccer, here's your soccer game, okay? Here's your two nets, and the fucking ball just does this the whole fucking game. And then they dive, right? Like they act like girls. Sorry to say it, but you know. And then every now and then some fluky shit happens where the ball actually magically just goes like, whee, and it goes in the net. Like, soccer highlights are awesome. Awesome. MexC, Ronaldinho. Soccer highlights. Pirlo with the goal kick for, like, I'll watch the World Cup sometimes, but oh man. It's painful, especially like I'm Italian. You watch Italians play football. It's tic tac, tic tac, tic tac, tic tac. Like they're like in the triangle, in the triangle, in the triangle. Do the triangle, move the triangle. Triangle goes here, triangle goes there. It's like fucking kick the ball, man. I'd rather watch like 5-year-olds chase the ball back and forth. That's how soccer should be played. I can't wait for my son. You're gonna have like all these midgets, including myself. Right? And then the ball, and it's just going to be like the herd of midgets. It's just going to be like this. Wee! Wee! I can't wait for my son to play soccer. It's going to be hilarious. Right? You ever watch kids soccer? I played kids soccer. It's like, it's just a herd chasing a ball. That's how it should be played. There should be a rule in soccer that you all have to be within minimum 5 feet of each other. Soccer would be so much more entertaining. Don't you think? Right? Everybody has to be within 5 feet of each other. That's how soccer should be played. Spoken from a country that sucks at football. I mean, yeah, Canada is pretty shit, man. You're absolutely like accurate with that data. We have Davies. He plays for Byron, right? Davies is good. Besides that, I couldn't tell you another Canadian football player. And believe me, like my wife's family, they're Aston Villa fans. My accountant is he's a Gunners fan, man. He's happy as fuck right now, even though he lost to France, PSG or whatever. Congratulations to my accountant on their victory. But yeah, I can't be arsed. I can't be arsed to watch football. It just doesn't do it for me. It's too slow. It's too much diving. It's too much complaining. It's a fuck ton of running, man. These guys are athletes. Don't get it twisted. These guys running all day long. It's just like anything, right? Like, you can't appreciate the sport unless you played it. Like baseball, I love watching baseball. Most people can't watch that. You can pay them to watch that shit, right? But I played it my whole life, so I understand how hard it is to hit a 95-mile-an-hour fastball. That's it, right? You understand the game, it makes it more enjoyable. You should see my wife, she's British. You should see her watch hockey. It's hilarious. She's like, why are they doing that? This is stupid. Why are they fighting? And at the end of the day, sports are there to distract us from reality, right? Find your poison, right? If you give them bread and you give them entertainment, right? The Colosseum theory, right? Like, you keep the plebs entertained, they won't worry about everything else, right? It is a whole distraction at the end of the day. Baseball is the most unique and hardest sport. I agree with that. I played baseball my whole life. I totally agree. You try to hit a round ball with a round bat square that travels from a hand to the plate in 1 second. You got to react, ball or strike, and you're swinging, and you got to zone from knees to shoulders or knees to tits. There's nothing harder, right? They make it look so easy. You get a ground ball smoked at you 110 miles an hour, and you got to throw across the ball diamond, across your body, field it, bam. Alex, you did skateboarding? That's way harder than baseball. I mean, yes and no. I mean, I broke my ankle 3 times. But yes, I agree. Skateboarding is very hard as well. It's a whole different animal. I mean, I back nose grinded a 9 set. Like, I've done some pretty gnarly shit on a skateboard, but good times. Good times. Coming up to resistance here, failing to make a higher high coming into market open. We got 30 seconds, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see where we get to today. Bitcoin. Choppy of the toppy. No real follow through here. No follow through. So just waiting. Just waiting. I think I got a video somewhere of me skateboarding. Just before market open. We're open. Yeah, here. This is in Scotland. AlexOCrypto. I know we're dumping right now. Up the wall ride here. Wall ride up. Back down. Oh yeah. AlexOCrypto. Good times. Dumping, baby. Dumping, baby. I got some clips Nollie backside big spin. That was like my go-to, man. Sometimes I'd throw a big heel, like on a bank or something. But nollie backside big spin, like down whatever. Bring it. Bring it, baby. 8 sets. I got some clips of that. Like, I love that trick. That's like my go-to. Like, I mean, besides like a pop shove it tail grab off a kicker, I could throw that thing like 10 feet in the air, man. Pop shove it tail grab. Woof. Steezed. Sweep of the lows. NASDAQ. Rotation down. Oof. Nice bounce. Let's go. Nice bounce trying to go. No trade right now. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 440 people here. Let's go, baby. S&P gapping down. Lower than she knows. Lower than she goes. Let's see. Big gap energy. We'll see if we fill it today. Looking for a bounce. Bitcoin. Sweep of the lows bounce. Get going, Bitcoin. Come on. Looking to reclaim this level down here. We'll see if we can get above it here. Nice sweep and bounce. Nice push. Nice push. Pushing all around here. Trying to go. Come on, Biddy. Solana trying to break out here. Solana trying to get going. Bullish divergence. Higher low continuation here. Patience. 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 Got VWAP in our way. So can we push out, reclaim, and go? We will have to see. SPY. SPY down today, guys. Nasty job report. NASDAQ fighting that 30,000. Bitcoin indecision. Happy Friday, everybody. 440 people here. We need 20 more likes if you guys don't mind. That would be cool. Let's see if we do continue. Nice, man. I skated for 15 years of my life. Nice, bro. Yeah. Skateboarding was I used to skateboard a lot in Australia like 4 years ago because I had a nice park right beside my house. Sydney Park. It was pretty sweet. But like I'm old now, so like I would just like cruise 50/50s and go and rip the bowl a little bit, some rock to fakes and tail stalls and whatever, right? Like every now and then throw a little banger down, but it wasn't. I've broken my ankle 3 times, torn ligaments in one of them. It's not worth the pain anymore. But it's definitely a pleasure to rip. Like, got that low center of gravity. Yeah, man. And I can ollie like 5 decks. So, like, I mean, good times. TRD, how you doing? Good to see you, Pollo. I have pecked the thumb button. Let's go, baby. Looks like we are pushing here. Can we get going? NASDAQ, retest. Back in. NASDAQ back in. SPY, dumping. Bitcoin, holding. Contrarian here. Can we get a VWAP slapping down? That would be sweet. SFP of the high here on Solana. Bitcoin trying to push. Still waiting here, guys. Very choppy. Very choppy. NASDAQ sweep and go. SPY sweep and go. Trying to push here. Can we get going? Looking to get through VWAP here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Good times, man. Exhaustion here on Solana. Potential short. Retest our previous lows, yeah. Oof. Lower and slower? Yeah. Everything looks weak right now. Very indecisive, though, for Bitcoin. Sideways. Into resistance. Trying to make a higher high. No bueno. Still no trade, guys. We're going straight into the Discord after the live stream. Going to go and do some more live scalping. And smack talking. Some lessons. Some good fun. See where the price action brings us today. Right now, not looking good for the stock market. Bitcoin trying to go contrarian to that. Trying to push. Lots of liquidity for it to come back and take in here. We can go swing high to swing low if we would like. From here to here. Yeah, we would look for this VWAP golden pocket resistance area in here for potential shorts. right now, no strength, just choppy. Choppy and decisive. SFP of the high on Solana coming back into order block. Imbalance though here, so like definitely imbalanced liquidity to be taken here on Solana, so no shorts there. Bitcoin showing a little bit of weakness now. Nasdaq weak, SPY weak. Okay, no strength here on the move. Sell in May and go away for real. For real. Everybody's long ADA right now. ADA gone to 0. Oh man, near Zcash. See you later. Wouldn't want to be ya. See ya. All right, lower. Down we go. How can I go to your Discord? You just click on the Discord link. You'll be good to go. Do we even say market is open? 5 decks, brah. Totally. I mean, in my glory days. Was that a mullet I saw in the video? No, that was in Scotland, man. That was in Scotland. Yeah, this was a really cool. It was like right by the Edinburgh Harbor, right? They had like this indoor park. It was so dusty though, so it was so slippery. But they had this like big wall ride that you could hit here, and then they had like a mid rail you could board slide here, and then like this down. Good old fun, man. Good old 50. Down we go. Where you stop, nobody knows. It's a good little like indoor park because obviously it rains every other day in Scotland, so you're inside all the time. And then they had Saughton Skate Park was really cool, man. Really cool park. More catered to bikes. Discord link is invalid. Okay. Sorry. Guess you're shit out of luck. That's a horrible way to put it. I can get it fixed for you. Maybe one of the mods can set you up there. Sorry, I gotta fix something on my screen. We're back. Dumping. I'm growing this mullet. I can't believe my hair is this long already. Normally it's like skin fade. I mean, this looks like shite, guys. Down we go. Very choppy though. Like not really, in my opinion, that tradable. Like I said, looking for that liquidity sweep down here. Coming for these lows, trying to hold this support level. We'll see. It's not looking good, guys. Coming into Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Let me get you I need some OG swag. Well, you can get some at the merch store. I don't make anything on the merch. Merch is just for the community. There's the link from Alexander G. I can produce. Here's another link if you want for the Discord. There you go. There's I created a new one if you want it. When hat giveaway? I mean, that'd be a pain in the ass. Then you'd have to win the giveaway. Then I'd have to get your address, which is always awkward. And I'd have to send it out. I mean, I'd be willing to do the hat giveaway, but I have my Shopify store set up so it's like I'm not making any money off of it. It's just so that it's the cost of the damn hat. You just go over here, AlexOCrypto merch. I'm gonna do some more merch. You get the hoodies and the polos are really nice. I think I'm gonna get rid of this hat here, this one here, Don't get this one and don't get the dad hat. I don't like the dad hat either. This hat's good. The trucker hat. We got Steve Ruggles here. I got my new mug. I broke my other one. I got my new mug. Mugs are good. The desk mat is sick, man. This thing is huge. This one here is huge. It's like huge. I mean, you guys don't need to buy merch. I'm just glad you're here and hanging out. Come drop it off in person so you can steal my seed phrase. No, I'm joking. It's weird. Like, I mean, even meeting Dave Digital was weird. No, I'm kidding. I love you, Dave. Oh, man, no. You guys are all cool. It's like, some people have asked me to come to, like, give them a one-on-one tutoring at their house and stuff like that. I'm like, oh, fucking no way. The internet's weird. We're all weird. We're all hanging out here and talking to a fucking screen. So, I love you all, but you gotta keep it separated. It would be cool to have like an office where we could all be on our wanking chariots and trade together, though. That would be kind of cool, right? A communal trading space would be cool. But why are you going to leave the comfort of your home? Right? Alex don't want to be kidnapped. Yeah, and you wouldn't even need to like get a body bag. A grocery bag is big enough for me, Jason, right? I went and meet up with Farmer. Farmer's good shit. But I've known Farmer from day one. I went and bought Farmer breakfast. He wasn't weird. He was good shit. And Farmer can confirm how short I am. I will pay you to come spend a week at my new house. Yeah, because you want me to do some work. I know people want carpenters to come to their houses. You don't need to pay me, though, bro. I'll come visit. I'd love to come visit you. We'll set it up. Piper isn't weird either. You couldn't even say that with a straight face. Damn, he's on to me. Everybody wants a carpenter to come stay a week at their house. F it, I'm weird as fuck. Yeah, that's it. That's okay. You can be weird as you want here, man. I'm weird too, man. Look at the stuff we talk about here. Geo's good shit, man. See, Geo and I get along well because we're from the same area. So it's like and we're around the same age. So we kind of have shit to talk about because we're both Toronto boys, right? So it's like that kind of breaks the awkwardness. And we're both 5'2", man. So it's like fucking great. We see eye to eye, you know? Right? What's going on, El Candelas? I would feed you and hang out. Welcome to Rick's Cafe. Let's go, baby. I have a great basement. You feed me. You give me a doggy door and everything, Golden God. Me and Gio went to 2 Maple Leafs games. We lived like 20 minutes down the road from each other. Piss bucket and everything? That's too kind. Would you include a bit of bog roll with that or no? Bog roll is toilet paper, by the way. Thank you, Mojo Jojo. At least someone caught the eye to eye. Should we sell now? I don't know, man. That's not for me to tell you what to do. I'm waiting right now. This is chop, man. Don't push it? Okay. Maybe a hose? Like a bidet? Bucket of water? NASDAQ dying. SPY dying. No sign of strength here, guys. Rolling over into Friday. Bitcoin trying to hold lower orb. Great place for a lower orb for the day, guys. This is going to be a critical level for the day, guys. Be very well aware of this level for the day. This is clearly doing its thing, so be aware of that. Hasn't taken the low here. I would say retracement, continuation down for now. Still no trade. Oh, Solana SFP. Should have taken it. Didn't take it. I'm hesitant to trade Solana right now. I'd stick to Bitcoin. It's moving plenty good. Plenty good. You guys all just trying to invite me to your houses so you can pretend to give me cookies and pass me out. No chance you're 5'2". Okay, I'm like 5'4". I'm 165 centimeters. And I lied about that on my driver's license. I'm like 163. Everybody says I look tall on camera. Dave can confirm I'm not tall. It's just I got that energy, you know? That short person syndrome. That's it. How can they do the helicopter if their weenie is between the legs? Well, you gotta be creative. TRD will confirm short king. This is turning into like a Jerkins fucking commercial. You guys all talking about lotion. It looks bigger on my body than it does yours, though. Even if we're both average size, okay? That's the problem. You know? It's all an illusion. Just like the Canadian economy. I think you look like Adam Sandler. Yeah, a lot of people say that. I can sing the Hanukkah song or a piece of shit car. Those are my favorite tunes, man. SFP of the low trying to bounce here. NASDAQ just dying, guys. This is not good. Same with the SPY. This is not good. Breakdown, lower orb, retest, continuation down. Sheesh. Let's go. Rip the Band-Aid off. First SFP of the low here, 61.3. Can we go lower? Everything dying. Even fart coins down today, guys. Who would have thought? Dump it. Oh, Silence of the Lamb reference. Sorry. That went over my head. It's been a while since I've watched that movie. Prove what? Oh, yeah, I'm just going to whip it out on stream. Give you a good old mushroom slap right on the forehead. Everything goes over your head. Yarb, that was good. I enjoyed that. That was good. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a GG's for Yarb. Put a GG's for Yar for that comment. This is a 10 out of 10, man. Thank you. And canceled. Let's go. Tony, if we haven't been canceled yet, man. We're still here. I don't know how, but we know how to have a good laugh here. Even when the market's dying. Sweep of the lows here. On to the next low. We'll see if we do want to bounce here or if we're going to go lower. Looks like we're going to go lower, guys. A little bit of relief on NASDAQ here. Sweep of the low. It's allowed to bounce here. No trade, though. Losing orb, rotation down. Pretty big dump. We'll see where we go, guys. Any entry on Bitcoin? No. No entry right now. Still waiting. Dump it. What do you mean rip off a Band-Aid? So it's like reveal or, like rip the Band-Aid off. Get it done already kind of deal. You think? Sorry, Golden. I'll just show up one day, man. If you miss $65 on Sol, don't miss it twice. I mean, we're going to 56 if we lose here, man. 57 is the next target. Puckering. Taking that low. Taking the low. Can it bounce? This is the bounce level. Can it bounce here? It's taking the low. No trade for me. NASDAQ still weak. SPY still weak. Down we go. Looking to come to 59,888. Anywhere in here. Bitcoin dying, baby. Look at the market. It is red, baby. Red rum. Dump it. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Are you guys all short? I can play it for you guys. You want a dump song? I play dump song.
Rip the Band-Aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows.
Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it.
Down to the floor. You in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Watch it or send it to zero. Send it to zero. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, Sol. Elevator down.
Good times, farmer.
Trapping the booze, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you
NASDAQ
are
pushback
sure.
here. Caution.
Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to zero. Send it to zero. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure.
Dump it.
Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to
Happy Friday, everybody.
watch it or send it to zero.
They're on the YouTube channel. There's a playlist. No trade right now. You can listen to it on YouTube. I've uploaded them all. Dump it, baby. Tune. Yeah, I like that one too. They're all decent. Okay, well, chop at the bottom here. Still no trade, taking the trades, showing the trades. Not for me. No real entry criteria here on the high. Rotation down. I guess the short was here. Retest previous lows. Continuation down. That's fine. Woof. My God. Bitcoin looks like absolutely shite, mate. Solana dying. Bitcoin dying. Coming for the low. Coming into that big, juicy pink box, everybody. It's not big. Only for some. Oh, it's Friday. Fuck. Let down the hair a little bit on Friday. Bullish divergence. Pushback. Falling off a cliff, guys. NASDAQ as well. SPY as well. Bitcoin. No signs of life. Send it to 0. Down we go. Down we go. Pullbacks are for shorting. Congratulations on your short, everybody. We're going to do a giveaway in 3 minutes for everybody. We're going to do $2,000 on Fridays. We do $5,000 all week, but Fridays we do $2,000. You just got to sign up with the Bitunix link. If you do want to support the channel, you can do that. You get VIP 3 deposit bonuses. We do giveaways every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can definitely support the channel and win some good money if you just sign up and deposit, and it does help support the channel. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel and hanging out here. It's always a fun time here, guys. 450 people here on the live stream, taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again, showing you the account, showing you when we enter. We'll see where we get to today, guys. Nasty. Bitcoin dying, Solana dying. All right. Should have taken the SFP on Solana. I think that was the trade here. We got the Adam and Steve pattern here. We got the round and the... All right. Coming for the lows now. We'll see. And Bitcoin slowly bleeding out here. NASDAQ showing no signs of strength either, and same with the SPY. So a lot of weakness throughout. We've got a lot of gaps to fill on the SPY down below. And down we go. Geronimo. Thank you for being here, though. Thank you for being here. We're here every morning. So hopefully we can find some setups. But right now, this is just going down. No trade for me. Still waiting. For some reason, you love the dump song. Awesome, man. How are you calm with this situation? Because I'm not. I'm a trader. I'm the spot bags and the hodl bags have to be separated, for one. For two, I'm a scalper. Up, down, all around. I don't give a rat's ass as long as this thing's moving. I'll make my money. And the volatility is great right now. This is a massive move, right? Like if you're short on this, like I'd be up like 4,000 or 5,000 if I shorted up here, right? So it's like the moves are there. That's all you can ask for as a trader is for the you're guaranteed it goes right, but how it goes right, you know, is how you make your money, right? So as long as it's respecting levels, which it has been, right? You just got to execute. For me, I haven't executed today, right? It's been this morning kind of choppy and ugly, but there's always opportunity. So you remain calm, you remain patient. You don't get anywhere by not, right? Do I feel like FOMOing in right now? Yeah, absolutely. Do I feel like I missed a move? Absolutely. It's not going to make me make money by just clicking a button, right? Less clicking, more waiting. It's the only way I've found success in this game, man. And it is a game. They will come for you. They will find you. And they will vaccinate you. Okay? Don't get it twisted. Okay? If you don't know, now you know. Too far? Hashtag pure blood. Don't tell my government that, though. They might think I'm a conspiracy theorist or something like that. Enjoy your blood clots. Too far, man. It's Friday. We're in trouble now. We're in trouble. Nasty. Rip it off. Down we go. Down we go. Into the pink box. We'll see where we get to. Yeah. Oh, not even if you're a trucker, man. If you donated to the trucker, they'll they'll freeze your bank accounts. You don't even want to talk about that. I'll gladly be in your basement, Golden God. Hashtag pure blood. Let's go, baby. Everybody. So this is what happened. COVID happened. And what happened? What did me and my wife do? Me and my wife, when it happened, okay, it hit. We decided to go on a road trip. And we went from Toronto all the way to Banff and BC, and we did 40-day road trip in the mountains. You know what was awesome about that is that everybody was in their nice little houses, and there was no tourists. Okay, we were 40 days road trip in the mountains, me and my wife, and there was no tourists. Nobody was even near us. No waiting for campgrounds. No waiting for anything. It was empty. Lake Louise, empty. Banff, empty. Jasper, empty. We got to enjoy it. We climbed mountains. We went on hikes. It was the best time. It's so funny. Everybody shares. They're like, "Oh, where were you during COVID?" I'm like, "Oh, fucking road tripping, having a great time. How about you?" They're like, "Oh, I was stuck at home, depressed." I'm like, "Well, makes sense, man." Right? Right? It was a good time, man. Man, this thing is rolling over. Down we go. NASDAQ finding a little bit of relief here. Not much, but a little bit. Approaching pink box now. Yeah, this show today definitely getting canceled with all of our jabby jab talk. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Dump song going. Let's do that giveaway. $2,000 today, baby. Let's do it. Everybody go and to your draw reminder here. All right. Here we go, baby. Get your raffle tickets. All right. All you got to do is sign up and deposit. Here we go, baby. $5,000 a week. $2,000 for the Discord members.
news. Revenue proof of building portfolios taking well over exceptional.
Congratulations to MHZ. Gang. Thank you for using the affiliate link, man. God bless you. Thank you for being here supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Bitcoin's still rolling over here. Well, indeed. Don't look at me. B9. NDO. Congratulations. $500 trading bonus. Let's go, baby. Now the grand prize of $1,000. Let's do it, baby. Tapping that pink box right now. Oof. Sniffing it. I didn't even make up the pink box. It just is the pink box. Let's go, baby. Congratulations to Rag. $1,000 trading bonus. Let's go, baby. Congratulations to the winners. Hopefully you're all pre-rich. And hopefully that helps you on your trading journey. I know when I first started trading, if I got $1,000, whew, I'd be celebrating. I'd be pretty excited. Down only, trapping shorts at the lows here. Trying to push back. Can we push back into resistance? Into resistance. S&P trying to hold on here. Solana sweeping the low. Not even fully sweeping the low. Bitcoin putting in a lower low. Sheesh, this is ugly, man. This is ugly. Ugly. You know? Looks like Bitcoin had a fire on his face and someone put it out with a shovel. My God. Push Bitcoin, you nambe pambe. Andiamo. Andiamo, Forza, Azzurri. Let's go. Let's go, blue. Push. Push. Retest your previous lows. Continuation down. Dump it. Nice little pushback here on Biddy. Coming back, retesting the lows right now. NASDAQ, a little pushback as well. SPY as well. Nice little rounding here. Into resistance here. Swing high to swing low. Golden pocket locally. Got to pull that. Oof. Look at that. Oh, man. I told you this level is going to be juicy today. Break it down now. Nice bottoming structure. It did the sniff test on the pink box, and he's running. He's running. That pink box must have been used and abused. We'll see. That's always funny, man. When it got to third base and was like, bye. I gotta go. Gotta go, man. Sorry, it's not you. It's me. Oh, man. Your Italian is great, man. I don't think so, man. I speak Fugazi Italian. Not even the tip. Nah, you didn't even get the pants off, man. Well, go on, Philly Skills. You're in danger. I don't like that. Are you all right? Do you need help? I'm in danger. Run away. Oh, man. Too far, Golden God. I love it. Perfect. War paint. That's it. It's war paint. Yeah. Whatever you're into, man. All right. Retest back in. Lower. Retest to previous lows on Solana. Continuation down. Ooh-wee. I like the bounce on NASDAQ. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Bitcoin coming back. Maybe she called him back. She's like, okay, I had a shower. It's too far. Way too far. It's Friday. I got to end the stream, man. We're going to get into too much trouble on this stream today. You guys bring the construction humor out on me every day. It's truly it's a boys club in construction, and it's like, honestly, it's pretty gross sometimes. It's some of the stuff you see in construction sites, but I mean, we're here for it, right? Trading's not easy. Nice rejection. You gotta have a laugh. Don't take yourself so seriously, okay? Trading is very serious, and it will wreck you if you don't respect it. But once you've learned to respect it, there's a certain joy to being in the trenches with you guys. That's why I still stream. That's why I still teach. It's because it's a privilege. It's hard. It's challenging every day. Every day you got to prove it to yourself. You come in here, you think I got to figure it out. I mean, I do my best every day, but every day it's like another test. It's another time to prove myself. If I can, manage myself well, manage my risk well, show up for myself, be disciplined, right? Mm-hmm. Considering a long here. Let's go. I'm sorry. I couldn't give you guys that signal. I couldn't give you the signal, guys. Literally just entered it. Up 700. It was a really cheap trade. Stop loss below the low. Continuation up. Yeah, you guys are going to hate me for that one. I liked what I saw. I don't know how to explain this one. How do I explain the Solana trade? Literally like 3-second trade. $700. Does it show the time? Does it show how fast you entered here? Literally a 3-second trade. $700 realized. How do I explain this trade? So NASDAQ's finding support. NASDAQ's finding retest to previous highs. So it's the exact same trade here. It's retest to previous highs, continuation up. Everybody's trying to short this thing, right? So you got the exact same setup here, right? Retest back in. So your entry is literally right here. Your stop is below this low. So you see the pushback here. I entered. Okay. It's literally this. So if I go on the 1 minute, maybe it'll make more sense. All right. So you're looking for the retest back into here. This high right here. That's your entry area. You want to see the reaction off of that. You see SPY holding support. You see Bitcoin sniff testing. Okay. You see NASDAQ break, retest continuation out, holding support. Solana, very overextended to the downside. Break, retest, holding support. Continuation up. Okay. Your stop loss, literally, when you enter on this candle here, your stop loss is right here. It's like a $200 risk to reward. right? It's literally that tight. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. That's what I saw. I don't know how you guys see it, but that's how I seen it. Taking the trade, showing the trades. Could I get some GGs in the chat or what? God bless you guys. We're going to go and trade in the Discord. Good fun, man. I love you guys. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. I'm going to go trade with the Discord for an hour. Then I'm going to go and hit some fucking golf balls, man. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. It's been a wonderful stream. It's been a wonderful week. If you haven't enjoyed it, that's fine. We'll see you next week. Have a wonderful day, everybody. God bless you, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden.